Today it's Mother's Day, May something. It's a beautiful day out, about 6 o'clock in the morning in America. Of course, I have this same little tiny camera that I've used all these years, so it's not the latest and greatest of everything. Anyway, hopefully today, and I have to work today, I'm going to get the motor in today. That's my goal, is to take that motor right there and put it in here. It won't be running, but it'll be in. And then I have to do a whole bunch of other things to it too. But I've got to get this thing going. I'm also going to plant my 2 seedless watermelons and a tomato plant in my back garden over here. I wanted to see if there were any more balloons out, and there's supposed to be some more. No, that's not one. But they staggered their launch from a fairgrounds, and I imagine as the day goes on there'll be more. It's going to be a beautiful hot day. I'm going to sit out here and get a suntan. Hopefully I won't stand up here too much in my window and you can see what getting old looks like, because it sucks. Alright, Operation Dio continues. Today is Motor Day. Rock on.